know the jungle has its rules, and I just gotta keep it cool. And I'll be treated like a tool, so don't be acting like a fool. Look at you stopping like a broom, tryna get everybody's cool. Go ahead and drop into the pool. It might just be the time for you to do better for yourself. 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 Self. So, are you afraid of letting go? Life's a kind of cookie dough, and you can try to eat it slow, but you could miss it out. So take credit. Does that didn't work out though? Come on, let me see you grow. Don't you be walking around so low. Are you too afraid to grow? Don't you forget that you're amazing. Do better for yourself. Do better for yourself.